In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chats in Google AI Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to keep your workspace tidy and your past prompts out of the way. First, open your browser and head to Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. You'll land on a page where you can start a new conversation. If you're asked to sign in, use the Google account that holds the chats you plan to manage. It's best to do this on a desktop browser so you can clearly see the side panels and menu options. Next, create or open a chat so you have something visible to remove. Click to start a new chat and type in the message box at the bottom. Enter any sample prompt or note. The goal here is simply to generate a chat that will show up in your history. Press Enter to send it. You should see the model reply, which means this conversation is now part of your recent activity and ready to be managed. Now, open your chat history. Look to the left-hand side of the interface for the section that lists your past conversations. Depending on your layout, this may be labeled History or appear within the Library area. Click it to expand and view your saved or recent chats. You'll see titles, timestamps, and a list of conversations that you can scroll through. If you don't immediately see the one you just created, give it a second to sync, or look for its title or most recent time. Once you've located the chat you want to remove, click Delete. This option usually appears as a trash can icon or under a menu next to the chat title. Select Delete, and, if prompted, confirm the choice. Keep in mind that removing a chat is generally permanent, so double-check you're deleting the correct conversation. After you confirm, the chat will disappear from your list, and your history will reflect the change instantly. That's the complete process. Go to Google AI Studio, create or open a chat so it appears in your history, open the history view, and delete the conversation you no longer need. This is especially helpful for reducing clutter, keeping your projects organized, and protecting sensitive prompts you don't want to keep on file. If you're working across multiple accounts or devices, repeat these steps in the account where the chat was created to ensure it's removed where it lives. Thanks for watching. Keep these steps handy, and you'll always be just a few clicks away from a cleaner, more focused AI Studio workspace.